Well, today I'm going to say something that might sound a bit harsh, but it's important to hear. Why aren't you making an extra $2,000, $3,000, or even $4,000 a month online? Side hustles available now. There are so much opportunities out there, and in this video, I'm going to give you 5 side hustles that could easily make you $100,000 in the next year. But even if it doesn't, it can still put an extra few $1,000s in your pocket. The best part, it takes absolutely zero money to start all these 5 side hustles. Let's dive in. The first side hustle I recommend this year is becoming YouTube or TikTok video editor or any sort of video editor for high impact content. You would be shocked at how many big time content creators on YouTube either edit their own videos. Content creators making $10,000 a month are very willing to pay for a video editor, often around $800 to $1,500 per month if there's a clear ROI, and it saves them time. You can become a YouTube video editor or create content for TikTok. You can learn basic video editing through various Skillshare courses on YouTube. It takes about a week for getting proficient in editing TikTok video and around 6 to 8 weeks to edit YouTube videos to a decent level. Pitching your service is always easy, as content creators are always on social media. With just few clients, you can easily make up to $3,000 up to $5,000 a month as a remote editor. The next side hustle is even easier and require less beginner know-how: becoming a Discord moderator. There is a massive demand for Discord moderators, whether for community building or NFT projects. As a moderator, your role is to keep the community updated, manage junk, and interact with members. If you speak good English, you can easily make up to $500 up to $2,000 per month managing few Discord servers. For example, managing 3 servers can make up to $3,000 a month. If your appetite for income grows, you can hire other moderators and start a Discord management. Offer 24/7 VIP service by hiring moderators from countries with low labor costs but with higher English proficiency, countries like South Africa or Eastern Europe. The third side hustle is a bit of hit or a miss: becoming a remote sales closer. Many people have online audience and sell products, courses, or coaching program, but can't handle sales call. This is where you come in. For your instances, this role isn't easy as previous two. It requires few months of training to get good at it, but you can easily earn 10 to 20% commission on sales if you enjoy talking to people or don't want stress or delivery. During your training process, you can work for free or at a reduced rate to gain experience. My absolute favorite side hustle is starting an online boutique market agency. The difference between running an agency and being a video editor or sales representative is that an agency, you outsource the service delivery through contract arbitrage. Find contractors in countries like South Africa, Romania, Brazil, or Colombia and pay them $500 per month or per client. You can charge client up to $1,500 or $2,000 per month, leveraging global markets purchasing power differences. This model works because you sell Western clients. Paying $500 is worth much more. The last side hustle has the longest payoff time: building a YouTube channel. The most important thing is to think that how you will monetize. Your channel can attract clients, courses, coaching, a subscription service, or even a software. Think about your monetization strategy from the start. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just add your unique flavor to it. For example, I talk about finance, money, stock market, money management. Start today and might you not see results for 6 months, but it will pay off if you have a good strategy. To wrap it up, there is no reason for you that why should you be making an extra few $1,000s a month online with various side hustle opportunities available on the internet like just now. I have shared 5 side hustles, but there are plenty more on the internet. Get creative and start exploring. Click the first link in description for a detailed video on best online businesses to start now.